People rob banks mainly due to financial desperation, greed, or the belief that crime is an easy route to wealth. Motivations can include a quick fix for poverty, thrill-seeking, or lawlessness, but these actions typically lead to severe consequences. The phrase, "money is the root of all evil," highlights how the excessive pursuit of wealth can drive individuals toward corruption and unethical behavior. Today I will explain the process of how money is printed. It all begins with the paper. Unlike standard paper made from wood pulp, U.S. currency is crafted from a distinct mixture of 75% cotton and 25% linen. This blend is then fed into a specialized machine that produces large, continuous sheets of paper. These sheets are specially crafted for currency production, incorporating security features right from the start. Tiny red and blue synthetic fibers are randomly woven throughout the paper, making them easily visible and serving as an essential security element. Additionally, the watermark portrait of Benjamin Franklin is integrated into the paper during the manufacturing process, rather than being printed afterward. This feature is noticeable from either side when the bill is held up to the light. The 3D security ribbon is intricately woven into the paper during its production. Positioned vertically to the right of Benjamin Franklin's portrait, the ribbon displays images of bells and the number 100, which seem to shift and change as the bill is tilted. The freshly created paper sheets undergo a meticulous drying and inspection process to identify any flaws. Only those that adhere to strict quality standards proceed to the next phase. During the design stage, security remains a top priority. Artists collaborate closely with engraving and security specialists to integrate features that prevent counterfeiting and ensure the bill is easily recognized as authentic. Once the design is completed, expert engravers step in. They carefully transform the two-dimensional artwork into three-dimensional engravings on steel dies. These dies will act as the master templates for printing the bill. The master die, featuring the intricate design, is then utilized to produce several hubs through a technique known as hubbing. These hubs function as replicas of the master die and act as intermediaries in the plate-making process. They are utilized to produce the actual printing plates, which are crafted from a softer metal than the master die. This design enables the mass production of bills while preserving the integrity of the original engraving. The printing plates go through several finishing processes, such as polishing and hardening, to guarantee their durability during high-speed printing. The Bureau of Engraving and Printing utilizes large, custom-built intaglio presses that apply immense pressure to transfer ink from the recessed engravings on the plates to the paper. The printing plates are coated with a specialized, long-lasting ink designed to endure for years. Each bill is given a distinct serial number through high-speed numbering machines. These numbers assist in monitoring the bill's circulation and play a crucial role in detecting counterfeits. Additionally, the Federal Reserve Seal, Treasury Seal, and Series Year are added to the bill through a separate printing process. These features enhance the security and identification of the currency. After the printing is finished, large sheets are sliced into individual bills using high-speed cutting machines. These machines guarantee accurate cuts and reduce waste. During the printing process, automated inspection systems examine the sheets for any defects or irregularities. The bills are organized in bundles of 100 and subsequently packaged for distribution to Federal Reserve banks nationwide. These banks then supply the new currency to commercial banks, where it ultimately reaches the public. Now, what about the euro? In contrast to the dollar's cotton linen blend, the euro is crafted entirely from 100% cotton fiber. This composition provides a unique crispness and durability, essential for a currency that frequently changes hands. During the sheet formation process, a watermark featuring the European gate and the numeral 100 is embedded into the paper, becoming visible when held up to the light. A silver security thread is intricately woven into the paper, showcasing the euro symbol and the number 100 in tiny microprint, which emits a pink glow under ultraviolet light. Each sheet of paper is meticulously dried and examined for any flaws, with only perfect sheets moving on to the printing phase. Now, we step into the secure realm of banknote production, a domain filled with confidentiality and precision. Every procedure here is meticulously crafted to prevent counterfeiting and uphold the euro's integrity. The initial phase consists of offset printing, which applies the base colors and some preliminary security features to both sides of the banknote. This includes the primary representation of European architectural styles, specifically Baroque and Rococo for the 100 euro note, along with the intricate background patterns. Silkscreen printing is utilized to incorporate the luminous emerald number, an essential security feature that alters its color when the banknote is tilted. A holographic foil stripe is positioned on the right side of the note, showcasing a portrait of Europa, an architectural motif, and the euro symbol, all of which change appearance with the tilt of the banknote. Intaglio printing is responsible for producing the raised tactile elements on the banknote. Key design features, such as the portrait of Europa from Greek mythology, the numeral 100, and other significant elements, are printed using intaglio, giving the banknote its unique texture. Specialized printing presses, distinct from those used for the main design, are also employed for serial numbering. These machines employ cutting-edge inkjet technology to print distinctive serial numbers on each banknote with remarkable speed and accuracy. The serial numbers feature a mix of letters and numbers, resulting in a wide range of unique identifiers. This system facilitates the tracking of banknotes throughout their lifespan and assists in detecting counterfeits. The numbering machines produce the serial numbers in a sequential manner, guaranteeing that each banknote possesses a unique identifier. The printed notes undergo thorough inspections, both automated and manual. Advanced machines scan for any discrepancies from strict standards, while skilled experts perform visual checks to ensure that each note is perfect. Large guillotine-like cutters, equipped with laser-guided precision, slice through the enormous sheets of banknotes, separating them into individual notes. These machines guarantee clean and precise cuts, reducing waste while enhancing efficiency. The freshly cut banknotes are automatically stacked and counted by advanced machines, which ensure that each bundle contains the correct number of notes. These stacked bundles are subsequently encased in protective plastic film to guard against moisture and damage during transportation. The securely wrapped packages are then placed into robust boxes that are built to endure rough handling, ensuring the banknotes stay in perfect condition. Each box is distinctly labeled with essential information, such as the denomination, quantity, and destination. During the cutting and packaging process, rigorous security protocols are implemented to thwart theft or tampering. Surveillance cameras oversee every step, and access to the area is strictly regulated.